Okay, so looking at the Algebra 1 January 2019 regions, if I look at question number 5, we've talked about this before, but if this is the first time you're watching a video, let's go through how you can use numerical solve. So what is the solution to the equation 3/5 times x plus 4/3 equals 1.04? So in your calculator, if you go to a calculator page, you can go to Menu, Algebra. Now I have the CAS version, the CAS version. That's not allowed on the Regents. So when you do this, you'll see three options. You should see numerical solve, solve linear systems, and polynomial tools. So for what we're going to do, we're going to numerical solve, and you legitimately just type in the equation as you see it. So 3/5, we'll say 3/5, and if you hit Control divide, and I'll do it again in a second, you're going to end up getting the fraction template. So 3/5 plus times x plus 4/3. So Control divide is where you get your template. 4/3 equals 1.04. Now, part of the programming for the calculator is that you have to then tell it what variable you're solving for. So in this case, x. The one thing I like to do, now in this case it's linear, so you'll only have one answer, but if we get them trained now, if they get to Algebra 2 or later courses, this will help them find more than one solution. I ask them to hit x equals 5. And kids will say, why 5? And I say, well, just pick 5, don't worry about it. That's not really important. And when you do that, you'll get your answer choice. Now, just again, getting them prepped for future courses, if you hit up, up, just like the 84, and highlight, when you hit enter, you can edit that line. So then I make them do x equals -5. And in this case, you get the same answer because there's only one. Now, if there was another answer on the negative side, it would capture that one as well. So this is how you can end solve when dealing with just simple part 1 questions on the Algebra 1 Regents.